Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated steering wheel, remote keyless entry, a roof rack, and cruise control. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Jeep's rigorous certification process. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.